Our gospel for today would be so particular by narrating that a man suffering with or from dropsy was in front of Jesus. But the Pharisees, the scholars of the law, and the peoples were on the watch as to what will Jesus do to that man. At narinig naman po natin, Jesus performed the miracle. And he seems to have broken a law, but have not broken the command to love and to care. If you can still remember or have listened to our reflection last Monday, sinabi natin na sa Diyos at sa taong may puso, walang pinipiling oras ang pagmamahal at ang pagiging mabuti. And it is another story that we have heard today. Jesus healing a person on a Sabbath. But I would like to offer this reflection to us once again. Love and care would not break somebody, it would always form somebody. I think that the man with dropsy was not that too far from the presence and even from the eyes of these people. But they could have done something. The man, well in front of these men, seems to have experienced a great dismay within. But Jesus came to the rescue and did what might be unlawful for these people, but what was the most and is the most significant thing to do as a part of giving praise to God. And that is to love and to care so that He might be anew, He might be formed again to be His truest self again. Mga kapatid, we will be in situations that the challenge for us to be at least charitable and merciful will just right be in front of us. It could be your close collaborator, your classmate, your seatmate, your office mate, your husband or your wife, your children, your parents, or whomever it is. We are just right in front of each other. The call to love and to care is just right in front of us. And the question is, are we going to care or not? Are we going to love or not? Jesus never missed a moment, most especially when mission is right in front of Him. At sana, wag din natin sayangin ang pagkakataon kung ang tawag sa pagmamahal at pag-aaruga ay nasa harapan na lang natin. Dahil hindi man natin nakita, dahil hindi natin sinayang ang pagkakataon, nakita at nalaman natin, may nabuo naman pala sa Kanya, may nagbago din naman sa Kanya. Dahil ang nagmamahal, walang sinasayang na pagkakataon sa bawat panahon. My dear brothers and sisters, again, we will be in situations when the call to love and to care is just right in front of us. We need not to explore somewhere else. Nasa harap lang natin. Baka nga, nasa tabi lang natin. Our uncharitable thoughts, words, and actions may break them, but our love and care at that very moment, when when the call for love is just right in front of us, will form them once again, will make them happy once again.